The 3 most common cuts for a tomato, I'm gonna show you how. For our first cut, we're gonna small dice. First cut both ends of the tomato. This is gonna be our dice that we would use for a pico salsa. Okay, so top and bottom are sliced off. Then I cut the tomato directly in half. Now you're gonna take that half, you're gonna cut that, and you're gonna have a little quarter. Hold your knife flat, fingers flat on top, come in, slice all the way through, and we're gonna just de-seed this. Just like that. You'll see there's a lot of extra rib meat. Go ahead, again, hold your knife flat, slowly work towards you, do not cut your finger, and cut off that little excess right there. Okay, skin side down, it's always easier to cut when the skin side is down. We're gonna now cut 1/4 inch slices into this, all the way down. Then we're gonna come back, 1/4 inch again. And this is what's gonna give small dice. Just like that, nice little squares. For our second cut, tomato wedges. I'm gonna cut the top off. I'm gonna leave the bottom on because I want that natural shape. I have my half, tops here, bottoms here. 2 fingers on the side so you have control. We're gonna go right down the middle. Now we have 2 halves. You're gonna take that half, again, same thing, right down the middle. You have beautiful wedges. For our third cut, we're gonna make slices. Take the top off. And don't be that guy. We're cutting from top to bottom, not from side to side. We're gonna make nice, even 1/4 inch slices all the way down. Try to keep your knife as straight as possible so you have nice, even cuts. Just like this. Great for, doesn't matter. That's exactly what you want to practice. See those cuts? Almost dead even.